welcome to Ukulele Robert. In this session I'm going to introduce a technique that I call chord caressing. I think it's probably got a technical term, but I don't know what that is. And this is where I try and emphasize certain chords within the standard regular rhythm, just to give the song a bit more color, a bit more dynamics really. And a classic example of this is when someone's, changing from C to F, and quite often they'll put in a C7 in between halfway through a verse. I think that's technically called a passing chord, and the C7 has a little bit of tension to the lyric in the song. So a good example of that is Johnny Cash's song, favourite of mine, called Folsom Prison Blues, and the standard rhythm would be, I hear a train a-coming, it's rolling round the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when, 'cause I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. So that's the regular way. Let's add in what I call chord caressment, and I'm just going to put a different version on the C7. So, I hear a train a-coming, it's rolling round the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when, 'cause I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. So what I did there is when I came to the C7, I stopped playing the regular rhythm and I used just my thumb to pluck across the strings in a downward motion, but to try and then hear each individual string. So rather than just go, which would just be a strum, it's, and this is a trick you hear, great piano players do. When they're, if you sat and listened to a really good piano player, when it comes to playing a chord, they don't just tend to just put all their fingers down at once on a chord. They will tend to kind of caress across the scale from bottom to top as they go across, and it's really interesting to listen to. And I've tried to bring that to ukulele. So if I do that nice and slowly, hear a train a-coming, it's coming round the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when, 'cause I'm stuck in Folsom, and back into the rhythm again. Takes a little bit of practice, and then you've got to go back in again, so it's a stop start. But I think it's a very, very effective way of kind of enriching the music to the song. It doesn't just work on those C7s. Well, any 7 will do, but it could be if you're going to a minor, for instance, and you can use it more throughout the song, as often as you like, whatever kind of takes your fancy at the time. As I find it very, very useful, but keep practicing it, see if you can bring that into the song, and enjoy. If you've liked the video and you found it interesting, if you could like my video down here or follow my channel, that would be fantastic, and see you next time.